only 4 natural ingredients will help you whiten teeth at home. Tartar is a buildup of hard deposits on the surface of teeth or gums. Tartar ingredients include calcium carbonate, bacteria, cells, and food debris. Not only cosmetic, tartar and bacteria for a long time can also cause bad breath and serious complications such as chronic root bleeding, gingivitis, and tooth decay. Dentists usually recommend brushing your teeth at least twice a day and visiting your dentist every 6 months for tartar cleaning and oral care. However, if you take care of your teeth with a mixture that we will share this video, it may not be necessary to visit the dentist after only a few days. This is a natural mixture that can help us get rid of tartar and bacteria that accumulate for a long time, almost completely. Which will be difficult to do if you only use toothpaste daily. To make this mixture, we need the following ingredients: half a banana, 2 tomatoes, a piece of ginger, a teaspoon of toothpaste. Bananas quickly remove tartar and food debris. Dentists have said that eating bananas every day can help us improve the status of gum disease and sensitive teeth. Tomatoes have anti-inflammatory and cleaning properties. When exposed to teeth, tomatoes help quickly remove stains on teeth. In addition, tomatoes also help us prevent gum disease and root bleeding. Then, pour the tomato juice and ingredients into a bowl and mix until smooth. Use a brush to rub this mixture on your teeth for 5 minutes. You should brush your teeth from the inside out, from top to bottom. After 5 minutes of brushing your teeth with this mixture, use warm water to gargle. Finally, brush your teeth again with daily toothpaste. For the best result in removing tartar and whitening, you should brush your teeth twice with this mixture every day. After about 1 week of use, we make sure that the tartar and the bacteria accumulated on the teeth are cleaned. In addition, bad threads will disappear with this mixture. In the process of dental care with this mixture, you should not use items that can cause dental plaque, such as alcohol, coffee, and tobacco. Thanks for watching our video. If you have questions about this method, you can leave a comment in the video comment section, and we will get back to you quickly. Wish you always have white teeth and strong. See you in the next video.